Vanessa.
Hi, Sheila. How are you doing?
Great, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. So what do we have here?
So I've got a really special house for you today. Super unique. It's got a lot of style, and I think you're really gonna love this one.
Okay, I'm seeing from the neighborhood here, I see different types of homes, and this one here looks very different compared to the rest of the neighborhood.
It certainly is. This one's a really special one.
All right, let's go take a look inside.
Cool, come on in. So this is a really unique house. As you can see, it really takes advantage of the light and the beautiful trees on the property itself. It was designed to be a really cool tech house that has LAN parties, but also it's just a really beautiful house in a great neighborhood in Palo Alto. So let me take you on a tour. This is the really cool living room. Could be a fun WeWork office if you're thinking about doing a startup. Also the living room, dining room, kitchen, so it's really great open concept. We love this floor plan. We do have some great outdoor patio area. Then again, you just see all the beautiful light and all the windows, which we really love. So this is the outdoors. You could have a great summer barbecue back here. Lots of usable space, we really love it.
Oh, I see a cool shed. What's in here?
It is a totally cool shed, and it can be used for whatever you want it to be used for.
All right, I got an idea in mind.
I knew that you would. So now we'll take a look at the more normal aspect of the house. One thing that I really love, it has such a nice master bedroom and bathroom. So here's the master. It does have a door that leads to your little deck, which is nice for coffee in the morning. And then this way we have the elegant master bathroom, your separate little room here. And then what's super unique about this is it's a sunken shower. So you can actually turn this into a bath, enjoy a nice bubble bath in the evening, or you just have a really great shower as well. So we love the versatility of this space, definitely. Let me take you to the other wing. Now what's nice about this home is it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So there's a lot of great space, which is kind of hard to find in this neighborhood, so this is a really good one. This is the spacious bathroom. Again, full-size tub, there's also a shower, really modern and pretty. And then you have another great sized bedroom. Has a nice walk-in closet, and then also a door that goes out to the little front patio area, so if you wanted to enjoy your coffee there, that's also a great space. And then this room, we lovingly call the theater office bedroom. So there's a lot of great space, it's pretty versatile. You could do a lot with this room. So we're really excited to show you. You guys got a sneak peek at the beginning, but now you get to see it in its final stages after Vanessa has had her hands on it.
Let's go inside.
So I'm super excited for you to see. Vanessa did a killer job, I have to tell you. This home totally makes sense. You had such an eye. I know we kept saying it's a really tricky one to stage.
Tons of curves in here, and then you also have 90-degree angles with the awesome windows.
Yeah.
So what do you do when you got the angular and you got the circular? Definitely a lot of curve appeal.
Definitely.
The pieces that we put in just really had to work with the curves. Not be too curvy, not be too angular.
I mean, what do? You can't fight it.
Yeah, and on top of that, this had to convey a living room.
Yes.
I think that was the biggest challenge because this room was once used as a gaming
or
the house.
I mean, so the background behind the house is that it was designed by famed architect Richard Varda. So we were really excited that this was his project, but then it was also a case study house for livable tech. So it was used as a LAN party gaming house. And it served this dual function of being a home that is livable, that you can enjoy the views and the light, but then also something that has the functionality of a tech home. So marrying those two qualities.
Yes, absolutely. And you can still see there's monitors up here. So nothing has changed. So
no.
The case study has been, went on from what period?
It was built in 2011, so really it was showing what other people could add to their home to make it livable tech and the possibilities that were created. So we needed to show both, and as I had mentioned to you, that was really the challenge of showing it as a house that people will just want to enjoy and spend time in, but then something that really has function. And so you really took the time to understand the house and understand the architecture and what we needed from it, and the end result is phenomenal. So.
Thank you. Yeah, because as you walk in, the space felt very narrow.
Yeah.
You had two walls, you know, obviously on both sides, but it was coming in kind of like a surfboard effect.
Yes, or a boat.
Yes, or a boat. So, but the good thing is the very nice tall windows brought in the light, made the space look much more spacious, but still at the end of the day, it just curved in like a boat, like a surfboard. And how do you turn the space into several different regular functions, you know, like a regular family can move in here. Yeah, it's a home. So then therefore we had to really think about what was coming in here to convey that living room and to convey that dining space.
Definitely.
Yeah, while also maybe a special buyer can then appreciate, you know, the technology that's still there and they can do whatever they want with it, but maybe a regular family can see that it's regular space.
Exactly. That's what we really needed to convey.
Yeah, and as you walk into the bedrooms, they're just pretty much normal.
Yeah, they are. They've
Yeah.
got great views and great light, and they're still a bedroom, but again, there's still that feature that it has function, and it really encompasses the Silicon Valley lifestyle where it's live and play, and then you can bring that at home too. So.
That's perfect. And Palo Alto is also a place for startups.
It is.
You know,
you don't have to have a startup in your garage. Now you can have a startup in your home, but
and the price tag is actually really appealing too for such a custom designed home.
Yeah, we're listed at $2,078,000, which is great for this neighborhood. It has good schools. It's close to a lot of amenities like shopping, dining, startups, Stanford. I mean, you're really in the heart of Palo Alto, which is the location is ideal. And we wanted to open up ourselves to a variety of buyers who are looking for either a home that they need to move into that's all ready to go. It was built in 2011, so you don't need to do anything. Or if they just, you know, this is their first home and they're excited to have their new space.
And speaking of new space, there were some actually really unique spaces in here. Let's take a peek.
Definitely.
So I noticed while we were staging, there was a little door, little hole.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
So we have bonus features. And under here, the owners really cared about their cats. And so they created this nifty little cat door that goes into the secret room, which we'll show you later. But then their cats were able to really utilize the full space too.
Very clever use of space.
Exactly. I mean, even your furry friends can feel like this is their home too, so.
And it actually makes it feel like they're going in and out of fun little spaces.
Exactly, which, you know, cats love to do that, so it's great too.
So show me what else is unique.
Great.
Oh,
so
beyond everything else
beyond the
house.
So actually, I'll take you to the second bedroom. And what's cool there is we call it our secret passage room. So there is a secret door in the closet that opens to a room, which has, I think, a lot of potential. As you can see, there is definitely more of the tech workspaces in here, but Vanessa showed it as kind of a second living or theater room. So there's really a lot of versatility for this space. But what I find the coolest is that through this door, we have our secret entrance.
Wow.
And so, talk about fun features. So right now it opens to the server room, which if you wanna come and check it out. So right now it's the server room, but if you remove the tech, you could make this into a secret, I don't know, playroom or
your own private office.
Yeah, totally, little office.
Or a panic room.
Or a panic room. So there's a lot of well thought out design, and it was really about honoring the architecture, and you did such an amazing job again. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, working around the technology was, I mean, how do we incorporate the technology in with the design? Still just have everything be cohesive and not stand out like a sore thumb.
Exactly.
Because when you walk into this room when it was vacant, all you saw was technology.
Well, the thing is, you didn't know how to live in this space, and the importance of staging, and as Vanessa has always said, it really creates the emotional connection and shows you, how can I live in this space? And you can envision yourself here enjoying a movie with your family or friends, or it's just, that's the importance of staging. So
yeah, so same thing with this room. You have different angles going on. You don't have the surfboard angle, but you kind of have like a slice of a pie.
There are no square rooms here.
Yeah, no square rooms, exactly. You don't have that perfect square, 90-degree corner. That makes it a little bit easier to work with. But yeah, here, how do you get the curves, furniture to work with the curves and the angles?
Yeah, and it shows us really just a beautiful, livable space. So beautiful.
Well, thank you for the challenge.
Yes, thank you for exceeding our expectations as always.
You know, that's the fun thing about our job. We get special homes like this, and they are out there. You know, on the outside, it looks great outside, but it just kind of looks like a regular home. Once you step inside, it's just something out of this world.
Definitely. Thank you again. It's been a pleasure as always.
Thank you, and we'll see you at the next property.
Of course.
Thanks, everyone. We'll see you next time.